भारत की जनसंख्या क्या है? What is the population of India? What is the population of India? हमने बच्चे को बस पर चढ़ते हुए देखा। We saw the child get on the bus. We saw the child get on the bus. हम वहाँ 3 बार खा चुके हैं। We have eaten there 3 times. We have eaten there 3 times. इस कहानी का लेखक कौन है? Who is the author of this story? Who is the author of this story? तुमने उसके प्रस्ताव को स्वीकार क्यों नहीं किया? Why did you turn down his offer? Why did you turn down his offer? जो अखबार में लिखा है वह सच है। What the newspaper says is true. What the newspaper say is true. तुम दफ्तर क्यों नहीं गए? Why didn't you go to the office? Why didn't you go to the office? अपने हाथ इस तौलिए से पोंछो। Wipe your hands with this towel. Wipe your hands with this towel. तुम्हें नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए। You should conform to the rules. You should conform to the rules. तुम्हारी साइकिल मेरी साइकिल जैसी है। Your bicycle is similar to mine. Your bicycle is similar to mine. चलो टेनिस खेलने चलते हैं। हाँ चलो चलते हैं। Let's play tennis. Yes, let's. Let's play tennis. Yes, let's. रस्सी को पानी में फेंक दिया गया। A rope was thrown into the water. A rope was thrown into the water. तुम वहाँ बस से जाते हो या गाड़ी से? Do you go there by bus or by car? Do you go there by bus or by car? चिंता मत करो, तुम मुझ पर भरोसा कर सकते हो। Don't worry, you can trust me. Don't worry, you can trust me. उसने लगभग रोज मुझे फ़ोन किया। He called me up almost every day. He called me up almost every day. वह उनके सवालों का जवाब नहीं दे सकता। He cannot answer their question. He cannot answer their question. उसने विस्तृत रूप से अपनी योजना समझाई। He explained his plans in detail. He explained his plans in details. उसने चिट्ठी अभी तक नहीं लिखी है। He hasn't written the letter yet. He hasn't written the letter yet. वह हमेशा अपना छाता खोता रहता है। He is always losing his umbrella. He is always losing his umbrella. वह हर सुबह अखबार पढ़ता है। He reads the paper every morning. He reads the paper every morning. उसे केवल एक गोली से मारा गया था। He was killed by a single bullet. He was killed by a single bullet. वह जापान से होकर भारत गया। He went to India by way of Japan. He went to India by way of Japan. जल्दी करो नहीं तो बस छूट जाएगी। Hurry up or you will miss the bus. Hurry up or you will miss the bus. मुझे अपने आलसी होने पर शर्म आती है। I am ashamed of having been lazy. I am ashamed of having been lazy. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि उसे क्या कहूँ। I didn't know what to say to him. I didn't know what to say to him. पता नहीं कैसे पर टॉम ने कर दिया. I don't know how but Tom did it. I don't know how but Tom did it. मुझे कल रात एक बहुत अजीब सपना आया. I had a strange dream last night. I had a strange dream last night. मुझे घर के काम काज में मदद करनी पड़ी. I had to help with the housework. I had to help with the housework. मुझे एक ज़रूरी कॉल करनी है. I have an important call to make. I have an important call to make. मैंने अभी काम खत्म नहीं किया है. I have not finished the task yet. I have not finished the task yet. मैं उससे 6 महीने में एक बार मिलता हूँ. I meet him once every 6 months. I meet him once every 6 months. मुझे लगता है ट्रेन आने ही वाली है. I think the train will come soon. I think the train will come soon. मैं अमेरिका जाना चाहता हूँ. I want to go to America. I want to go to America. जब वह आया मैं नहा रहा था. I was taking a bath when he came. I was taking a bath when he came. मैं वहाँ गया क्योंकि मेरा मन था. I went there because I wanted to. I went there because I wanted to. मैं एक छोटी अटैची को ढूंढ रहा हूँ. I am looking for a small suitcase. I am looking for a small suitcase. मैं टीवी देख देख कर थक गया हूँ. I am tired of watching television. I am tired of watching television. क्या झूठ हमेशा बुरा होता है? Is it always a sin to tell a lie? Is it always a sin to tell a lie? ऐसी कोई जगह है जहां आप जाना चाहते हो? Is there anywhere you want to go? Is there anywhere you want to go? जापान में रहना बहुत महंगा है. It is expensive to live in Japan. It is expensive to live in Japan.